Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 9. Our today's subject is Career Education. Our today's topic, Chapter 2, page 49 to 53, reading done. Today's lecture number is 8. Okay, my dear students, now come to our lesson. Our today's chapter is Chapter 2, that is Career Building, Quality and Skills. We will start today from page 49. Time analysis. Everyone should keep his own record of time at least of a week, and by analyzing time, he should separate how much time is really used for work and how much time is wasted. In this job, honesty should be maintained. If necessary, someone close can be kept with, then identifying useless need. After time analyzing, it will be found that every day lots of work are done which are not necessary and which can be excluded if we want. We have to keep the record of these types of work, and afterwards we will see this not to be included. Work completion. Work planning will be done according to time, and the work will be completed with enough time in hand. No such work can be done in this time that will cause stoppage or disturbance. Stephen Covey, a famous researcher of the United States, prescribed a model of 4 stages for time management, which is renowned as Covey's time management quadrant. The model is given below. Now, time of doing work and later. Now, see importance minimum to maximum. Important and have to do right now, do it. Not important but to do right now, hand over someone. Then later, important but not to do right now, decide when to do it. Not important and not to do right now, leave it. Role of time management in career building. Time management is very important in a learner's life. It changes the directions of his life. Proper use of time gives him guidelines for future life. Those who are devoted to time go far ahead in life. To remain firm to the goal is an important matter for career. By time management and because of the habit of doing time-bound work in time, a learner will not deviate from his goal. By time management, a learner can identify in his career which will be given preference prior to any work, so the rate of success increases. Time management keeps us ahead of others. By doing right work at right time, we never fall behind in work. For proper use of time, if we commit any mistake, there is opportunity to rectify. Successful career can be built up easily through ensuring right and proper use of time by time management. It is to be remembered, time and tide wait for none. Skills of using technology. From the beginning of creation, man did all work with his own hands. Gradually, man started thinking how any work would be done easily and quickly. Making the proverb, necessity is the mother of invention, a success man gradually started inventing all such things and methods of work that lessened man's mental and physical labor at a large scale. Various tools and methods of work invented to make work easy and for completing it quickly are called technology. It is tough to say definitely where and when the technologies originated. When man started inventing any method or tools for making his work easy, technology came into existence. Making spear for hunting animals by men or inventing fire with dry wood is acknowledged as the primary stage of inventing technology. But the technologists think that technology in fact has been invented since the birth of modern science. In a word, technology is some technical devices which man uses for the development of his surroundings. Importance of using technology. There is a lot of work which needs much time to do. Any work is done very easily with the help of technology. For example, in the past it needed much time to husk paddy, and now much time is husked in short time. As a result, man's labor is lessened, much time is saved. Again, previously it was a very hard work to prepare the results of the examination. Now, in a moment, results are prepared with computer. Now it is possible to work correctly with the help of technology. By refreshing from thousands of data, reports are prepared correctly with the help of computer. It is possible to know the result of any work instantly with the help of technology. As for example, now the result of the admission test of the university is published just after the day of the test. This is a great example of the success of technology. Skills of using technology. We should have a detailed idea about what technology is, how to use technology, where technology is possible to use, which tool has what function, how the tools work. At present, there is fear among many with the use of technology. This fear of the use of technology will have to be overcome, and technology will be used with interest. The use of technology will be started with self-confidence. Otherwise, it is not possible to acquire skills in using technology. So for acquiring skills, appropriate and necessary training is needed. Using technology in career development. At present, using technology is one of several key skills in career development. As day by day, knowledge and science is expanding, all things become dependent on technology. Now, from the household chores to the state-level activities, almost all are done with technology. Collecting and submitting admission form of different educational institutions, depositing money, knowing the results of examinations, etc. are being done by internet. If the learners have the skills of using technology, they will be able to do the task without the help of the others. Besides, day by day, the use of technology is being increased in all places and levels of service. Applying for job, sitting for examination, buying tickets for traveling by bus, train, air, etc. are being done with the help of technology. So there is no alternative but to gain skills of technology in career building. Mathematical skills. A daily account is one of the important parts of several necessary subjects related to human life. Man has to do various calculations in every stage, level, and daily activities of life. This trend of accounts has been running from the beginning of civilization. This trend of accounts of man in literary term called mathematical skills. Mathematical skills or mathematical knowledge is to use general idea of mathematics in various levels of life. The man having mathematical knowledge can satisfy easily the necessities of accounts in daily or overall life. Ability of counting numbers, addition and subtraction, keeping accounts, understanding measurements, understanding of measuring land, understanding statistics, etc. are the examples of mathematical skills. There are 3 stages of mathematical skills such as number 1, introduction to numbers and general addition and subtraction, general accounts, primary idea. Number 2, necessary and life-related mathematical skills. Number 3, higher mathematical skills. Importance of mathematical skills. There is a great influence of mathematical skills in human life. Man does every work unconsciously with the help of mathematical skills, such as budget of family, all calculation from income and expenses in business to all accounts of everyday life. Mathematical skills establish man as a rational being. Man learns to think logically with it. Mathematical skills have a great role in taking right decision. As for example, a farmer can determine the value of whole work from sowing the corn to its harvesting, understand loss and gain of his investment. As a result, it becomes easy for him to take decision about cultivation. In such a way, mathematical skills are related integrally to human life. Means of acquiring mathematical skills. At first, it is necessary to get hold of the primary topics of mathematics for acquiring mathematical skills. Next, if we calculate various matters related closely to our life in mathematical way, our mathematical skills will increase. Then various hard and difficult mathematical problems will be solved step by step. Daily accounts, measurement of own house, measurement of land, etc. must be done by oneself. It is possible to acquire mathematical skills by coming into contact with the efficient and experienced persons in mathematical skills. Besides, By participating in different discussions, seminars, training and workshops on mathematics, mathematical skills can be developed. Using mathematical skills in career development. A learner goes forward in future life by overcoming many hurdles. To overcome all these hurdles, many calculations, addition, subtraction or preferences are identified. To do all these mathematical skills are used. Mathematical skills have a great role in career development. When any work has to be done in short time, at that time those who are expert mathematically understand easily what speed is enough to finish the work on time. What speed is enough to finish the work on time. Special questions are set to judge mathematical skills in admission tests of different educational institutions or tests for employment. It is compulsory to have mathematical skills to answer all these questions. Many times in service we come across some statistical work which are not possible to finish without mathematical skills. For this reason, mathematical skills should be given special importance for well development of career. Aesthetic attitude. Bangla word nandonik has come from nandon, which means to get pleasure from that or pleasure is given by that. As the source of pleasure is beauty, the other meaning of the word nandon is beauty, and the meaning of nandonik is beautiful. In doing any work, doing it beautifully, neatly and which appears beautiful in the eyes, that is called aesthetism. This aestheticism may be applicable to art as well as to poetry. Aestheticism exists from minor work of everyday life to massive work of the state. Aesthetic attitude does not merely mean recognizing or identifying beauty. The sense, outlook and mentality of doing the work beautifully, making the work done beautifully and presenting beautifully is called aesthetic attitude. Importance of aesthetic attitude. Everyone is the worshipper of beauty. We have to know aestheticism, and the attitude should be aesthetic if we want to judge the beauty of anything, to feel pleasure from beauty. To judge the beauty as beauty is not possible for him who is not aesthetic in attitude. If the attitude is aesthetic, one can get mental satisfaction and the work can be done with pleasure. Role of aesthetic attitude in career building. There is another kind of importance to do work beautifully, because beautiful work is liked by all. If the handwriting of an examinee is arranged neatly and the presentation is beautiful in examination scripts, the teacher considers him specially. That learner gets more marks in comparison to the others only due to beauty. Aesthetic attitude plays an important role in career development. If a learner does his assigned work neatly and beautifully, teachers, classmates and the others become devoted to him and get ready to help him. In the same way, if anyone can show his sense of beauty in his work, in service, he is considered differently in comparison to the others and his honor and dignity remains very high. Everyone wants intimacy with him and loves him. So my dear students, this is all for today. You must practice at home. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.